This is the Woodworkers Dilemma, narrated by Hunter Hicks, impersonating David Attenborough. There's a problem on the rise. A garage only has so much space. A metamorphosis is taking place. As we begin to plane down the face. Believe it or not, this is the fastest way to keep pace. With a uniform thickness, we can now mount this to the CNC table. From here, we are going to have the CNC carve us out the preferred outline that we are trying to achieve for the clock. Unfortunately, my router bits are not long enough to actually cut through the entirety of the material. This is when I will hand route the rest of it using a guided bearing router bit. This is going to help me achieve the most flush edge I can get by hand. Due to budget cuts of this production, unfortunately, we could not film the routering of this project. Right after this, we get to the drill press. We find the center point in the back and drill a hole right down the middle. You may ask yourself, with having such a capable table like the CNC to do the work for you, why did I not do that on the machine? Well, just like I could not record the router cutting it on the CNC, I also forgot, production costs were cut, and I could not afford to get the center point cut on the CNC. It never fails to amaze me to see the different development stages of a project underway. Ah, yes. My favorite part, the topography. This part is more like a rough gouging from the router, and then followed up by the fine nitty-gritty sanding of my hand belt sander and my 1-inch belt sander. Stay tuned and leave a like if you have enjoyed it this far. Yes, we've made it. The final product in our face. I hope you've enjoyed this journey through the Woodworkers Dilemma. Scrap wood seemed to only multiply after this project for me. Look out for my next project, an even bigger abstract clock. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely night.